Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Today I discuss about two important conjunction and but. The two conjunction is very important to make one sentence. Okay? If you understand the topic very well, you can make any sentence very easily. Okay, let's start our video and let's learn how we use and but in any sentence. Okay, and when two sentence meaning is same or similar, we will use and in the middle of the sentence. Like the example is I like to play with Moriam. আমি মরিয়মের সঙ্গে খেলতে পছন্দ করি. She like to play with me. সে আমার সঙ্গে খেলতে পছন্দ করে. If you understand the topic, you look that the sentence is similar. Okay, now we will use and in the middle of the sentence, and the sentence will be I like to play with Moriam and Moriam like to play with me. Okay, we will give another example. I love my mithai. Maria love her kitty. You look that the sentence will similar, so I add and in the middle of the sentence. Okay, the sentence will be I love my mithai and Maria love her kitty. Okay, আশা করি তোমরা and কোথায় ইউজ হয় বুঝতে পেরেছো. এখন আমরা ডিসক্রাইব করব but নিয়ে. When and two sentence is different, we will use but. Okay? I will give one example. Okay? I love to play with doll, but I don't like to play with ball. Look that the sentence will different. So I use but in the middle of the sentence. And the sentence will be I like to play with doll and but I don't play with ball. Okay? I will give another example. Swim but I cannot run quickly. Look, the sentence will different. So I use but in the middle of the sentence. The sentence will be I can swim but I cannot run quickly. Okay, আশা করি তোমরা দুইটা টপিক অনেক ভালো করে বুঝতে পেরেছো. তোমরা যদি বুঝে থাকো আমাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও. আর যদি তোমাদের নতুন নতুন ভিডিও চাই আমাকে ফলো করো. বাই.